welcome to my kitchen. This is Neil, and today I have this. It is the Craft911. That's funny, Craft911, and it's the tiniest little drill thingy for crafts that I've seen possible. You can kind of see on there, it's got some pictures of what the drills look like, and let's check this thing out and see what's in there. It's got a little thank you sticker on the side, preventing it from opening. So I'll take that sticker. Oh, it's got some information on the back there. Let's see what that is. Just stick the sticker here on some junk. And let's see what it looks like in there. So now we open it up, and it's got the little hand drill with the little silicone thumb piece there. And then in here, there's nothing else in there. And then in here we have our drill bits. So let's give the thing a little try here and see what they look like. Open this up, and there we go. There's some drill bits. Oh, there's all the rest. Oh, there's still another tiny little one in there. Let's put these down for a second. Try to open it all up here. I'll open the other end. Is there anything in there? Looks like there's one stuck on the wall with this thing. Oh, two of them. God, these are tiny. Look how teeny tiny these are. So those are teeny tiny, and then it goes up to these bigger sizes here. So I'm going to take one of the bigger ones. I'll put all the teeny tiny ones down. This is the biggest one I saw in there. And let's see how this thing works. So it looks like you're supposed to unscrew this, and as we unscrew it, it makes the hole bigger to be able to accept the drill bit. It accepts it all the way in. There we go. All right, so now we are in there. Now let's see if we can drill something. Oh gosh. There goes the rest of the drill bit. What do I have here? This is just a box. So I'm going to try to just drill a tiny little hole in the box. We'll go right through the front here, right in the middle. See how it works. So this is the way it works. So single-handedly, well, that did a very nice little hole there. Makes a nice hole. What am I hitting? I'm hitting this little card. So I'll just go through everything here. So if I keep going. Well, yeah, there we go. So it makes a nice little hole, and you can keep turning and make it nice and smooth, and then you get a decent sized hole out of it. So it seems to work for me. I'm guessing this bit here is pretty big, so it's going to be a little harder to get through if you have something wood. But that's what some of these teeny tiny ones are. You could probably put the wood, you could even work your way up. I'm guessing that would screw into there. So that was the one-handed way of doing this. I guess you could do it two-handed way of doing it, and do it like this, and then and then screw it in with this other side here and turn that, because the little cap here rotates. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to cut into my body. But you can see it just rotates. Super simple to use, easy concept, little drill, inexpensive. Thumbs up for me. What brand was it again? It was Craft911. So if you need a little craft drill for making little holes for beads and whatnot, this is probably a perfect little tool. And it comes in a nice little case. Actually, the case will be nice to store everything in without losing it. So thumbs up for me. I like it. I'm going to put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some other reviews soon. Thank you. Bye.